Hello, good morning class. It's me Vinay sir, your English teacher. Class, today I am going to explain you the poem Dust of Snow. It is composed by the greatest writer about frost. The poem is here. If any of the students doesn't have English book, he or she can read the poem from here. If we will talk about the poem, when the poet is going to set up the poem, he was in dejected mood. He was in sad mood. He was passing through a jungle, you can say through a tree. The tree name was hemlock tree. And hemlock tree is mentioned as a poisonous tree here. And when he was going through the tree, under the tree, he was in dejected mood. The reason is not mentioned here, why he was in dejected mood, why he was in sad mood. But when he is going to compose the poem, when he was going to set up the poem, the mood of the poem is mentioned here, that he is in dejected mood. If we will talk about the poem, the way a crow swooped down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Writer is saying, the poet is saying that when he spent his whole day in sadness, in dejected mood, he was completely in negative sense. He was completely in negative feeling. And in the poem, the crow and the hemlock tree both have negative sense also. Crow have negative sense, and hemlock tree, being a poisonous tree, has also negative sense. But in both the negativity, the poet has find out some auspicious thing, some positivity. When he was passing through the tree, upon the tree, a crow was sitting there, and he was shivering with cold. And the crow was totally shivering with cold, and its body was totally covered with snow. Due to snow, his body was much heavier, and it was not able to move, and the crow was not able to fly over, just because of its whole body has covered with snow, particles of snow, dust of snow. But after some time, at the right moment, when the poet was passing just under the hemlock tree, the crow shook down his body. The crow just trembled down its body, and some particle of snow fall down from crow's body, and it's fall down upon the shoulder of the poet. When he saw some particles of the dust from the hemlock tree, when it's fall down upon his shoulder, he just find out some positivity, that he saw that the crow was not able to fly, the crow was not able to move, just because of snow, just because of shivering with cold. He just thought that if the crow can fall down its negativity, if the crow can fall down all the particles of snow, just to make itself fly, just to make itself move. And after the falling down the dust of snow, the crow was able to move, the crow was able to fly, the crow was able to adjust the branches of the tree. Now the poet found lots of positivity. He thought, if the crow is able to fly, if the crow is able to move just because of falling down the snow, why can I not? So has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of day I had dreamed. The poet is saying here that he has spent the whole day in negativity. He has spent his whole day in making his mood too much off. But he found lots of positivity from the crow and from the hemlock tree. Although I have mentioned already that hemlock tree and the crow both has negative sense. But in the negative sense, the poet has find out lots of positivity. And due to that positivity, the poet's mood has changed. He is thinking that he has ruined his whole day in dejected mood. Now, the day which is left, I should use of it. I should make the remaining day much better than earlier. He is saying that if the crow just manage itself to fly, if the crow just manage itself to holding the branch very rigidly, if the crow just manage itself to move just because of moving, just because of falling down the particles of snow, just because of falling down the dust of snow, why can I? So, in the sense, in the theme of the poem, if the appreciation of the poem, we will talk about the main thing is that in the dejected mood, in the negative mood, the poet has found out positivity only by the hemlock tree and only by the crow. The poet saw the crow that after falling the dust of the snow, it was managed to fly, it was managed to move. So why can I not? If the crow can do, so I should also can do. It means now seeing the positivity from the crow and from the hemlock tree, the poet changes mood, and it started the remaining day to make happier, to make better, because the poet has totally ruined the whole day in despair, in hopeless, in thinking much negativity. Now the message which we are getting from the poem, the message which we are getting from the poet is that nothing is permanent, nothing is rigid in this world, nothing is remain too much long in this world. If you are in dejected mood, if you are in totally negative mood, you should wait the right moment. You should give up the negativity and you should go ahead. After giving up the negativity, after leaving the negativity, you should find lots of positivity. If you will make your mind positive, you will find lots of things, lots of ideas to go forward. But if you will remain sit in negative mood, if you will remain sit in dejected mood, you will not find any positivity. You will not find anything to move ahead. You will not find anything to go ahead. So always give up negativity, always give up dejected mood, always try to do something better, always try to find out solution, always try to find out positive things in negative also, as the poet has found out positive things from hemlock tree and from the crow. A little bird like crow, if it has found positivity after falling the dust of the snow, why could the poet not? The same message poet is giving to all of us. We, all the human beings, can do everything in negative mood also, in dejected mood also. But it will happen only when he will try to do positive things in negativity. He should not think much. He should not think lots of about the negative things, about the things which is passing, which is going. But human should give up the negativity. Human should give up everything which is going bad in his life. He should start with a little. He should start with very smart thing. He should start very small positivity, small hope. If he will make his mind positive, he can do much better in his life. Thank you class and have a good day.